Today we're checking out a beautiful deluxe studio here at the Riviera Resort in Walt Disney World. How is it? Is it amazing? Is it worth your time? Let's check it out and find out right after that intro. Roll that intro. Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today we're checking out a deluxe studio here at the Riviera. It sleeps 5 and it's a beautiful room, so let's get to it. Okay, we literally just rolled off the plane and it's 10:34 p.m. currently, so don't mind our mess right here, but the entryway is actually quite lovely and large. You got quite a bit of space here. Got some places to hang things up and a closet over there that has closet things in it. We can't move this right now, so we're just gonna go with it, but you get it, it's a closet. And then a lovely split bathroom design here. The side has shower with a rainfall head, and I've had several rainfall showers before in my life, and that one, she's a Hossie, so I'm kind of excited to get underneath that one and see how that one does. But it's a nice shower though. It's got a bench back there, and then like a separate wand there for you, the potty of course, and then in here is the sink. It's nice because you can close these rooms off if you wanted, so 2 people could, in theory, get ready at the same time because there's another full bathroom right there, another full shower. But this one's just kind of like a standard, no giant rainfall, although it does have a nice shower head there. Pretty cool. And then there's a full-length mirror to check your fit before you go to the parks. And then you have like your kitchenette. Everyone's over there sleeping, don't mind that. Your full kitchenette area here. And I was a little bit shocked that they had like real bowls, silverware, and plates and cups, and I didn't know that they did that in the studios. I thought that was just the one bedroom up above, but they have it in here too. And I like to point out that they have a toaster just in case you need to make toast, and of course a microwave, and a lovely coffee maker, and a Loring. But this is also nice. They have like an actual fridge in here, and it's not one of those beverage coolers, so you can actually keep food and stuff in there, so that's good. But this is pretty cool though. They got Pascal down there for a Tangled. So right behind Lauren there in the pull down bed, you have a queen size bed. Now I don't know if you're staying here for a long time, if it's a problem or not, because we're not staying here for a long time, but the only storage I see are these drawers, those drawers, and there's 2 tiny drawers here other than the closet. So there's not a lot of room to actually store things. I don't know if that's a problem for you. You might consider upgrading to the 1 bedroom if you want more storage or space, but check out the beautiful mini French print. It looks Frenchish, you know. I'd say this whole resort feels pretty French or European. Anyway, they do have USB and plugs on both sides of the bed, so that's pretty helpful. And also a Hello Disney over there. It's like the Amazon Alexa thing, but there's like a guide right there if you need to learn how to use it while you're here. But also right next to that, they have this full pull down bed, which is actually a couch if you don't pull it down. And we've actually just stored there was a table and we stored it underneath here to pull it down. I know that's for like if you want to store your luggage or something like that, but honestly, if you pull this down, like where else would you store it? Because you couldn't get out to your balcony if you stored it over there, and you would trip over it if you stored it over here. So I don't know. There's a little bit of a space concern I have with this room, but it's lovely. Again, like I said, we're here at 10:34 at night, so it's completely dark. So I'll show you the outside view in the morning when we actually get there. But then there's like a lovely table area with a tired Chrissy over there. But anyway, that's it for the room. It's a lovely room, really. It is pretty. Just not a lot of space for a lot of people, but we'll see how it feels after we stay here tonight and let you know in the morning what we thought. We'll also do a full property tour. Well, maybe not a full property tour. We'll definitely walk around and show you things out there, out and about around the resort, but we are going to crash tonight and relax, recharge, and get ready for our fun time at Disney. But anyway, hang out for just one more second and you'll probably see me in different clothes, and we'll take the rest of the tour and I'll let you know our final thoughts on the Riviera here at Walt Disney World. All right. It's a little bright, but I wanted to show you our view from our patio because we don't have a balcony because we're on the first floor here at the Riviera. If you're on the first floor, this is kind of what you'll see: parking lot and buses. So, not the most spectacular view, but I mean it is a little segmented with the walls and stuff. There's like a half wall here, and this side you can't really tell, but there's like a full solid wall. So I don't know, it's okay, but I'd prefer a balcony. This is what your chairs look like. It's kind of just 2 chairs, and this is your area right here. Pretty much that much space. It's decent, not huge, but decent. But I don't know how much time I'd spend out here anyway, just because, you know, parking lot. But anyway, let's go back inside. We're on level 1, and I'll show you the real nice thing about level 1 is all these things are easily accessible to you. Just right around this corner here. It's a quick little walk from your room to outside. Oh, and we came outside, and the first thing we see is a Florida squirrel. He's running away. But anyway, we'll walk around to the other side in a second, but this is the quiet pool over here, and this is a nice shot of the resort. That's where we came from, right there. And Prima Piatto, which is the quick service, is right there. The quiet pool is right here. The Skyliner is literally right there. So, I don't know, first floor has its drawbacks, but it also has its benefits for ease of access. And they do have, just right pretty much behind where the quiet pool was is the fitness center. And then this will take you, there's a Chrissy. This will take you right up to the main lobby up there, but we're not going up there quite yet. And then here's a layout of the land. We are right here. See, there was a quiet pool. And then the main pool's up there. And Prima Piatto's right there. The lobby's right here. So this is actually a really compact, nice, small resort if you're looking for a small resort. They also have this lovely courtyard area with like rolling balls. And they had Connect 4 out here last night. And they have chess over there. And look up there's Topolino's right there. So that's where you get a nice view. The one thing I will say is we came out here last night and you could see into almost everyone's room. I don't know. This is a busy little courtyard area, so for that reason I might choose the other view, but these rooms do have a great view of the lake, the Skyliner, and Caribbean Beach over there. All the pools seem to open about 10, so they're out there cleaning it right now. This is the main pool area. Kind of nice. They got chairs, they got cabanas, they got a nice water slide there. That's pretty awesome. And they got a kids splash area over here. And then right behind that, they have Bar Riva, which is the pool bar and stuff. You get drinks here, and I think a few like light things like chicken tenders and burgers and stuff like that here at this bar. But this one's open till 10, which is, I noticed most of the things around here are open till 10. And there's a shot of the kids splash area. Pretty cool. They got like mushrooms. And they got like it's hard to see, but they got like an elephant up there. I think that bucket dumps over onto the kids. But if you like look this way, you can see like the Skyliner in the background there, right above the pool. This is quite a lovely view you have out here as you're swimming. Here's a nice wide shot over to Caribbean Beach, across the pond here, looking at the Skyliner. Such a lovely shot. Such a lovely view you get from this resort. And Caribbean Beach is actually not really, the outer buildings are not really that far from here, because like that's the Skyliner station right there, and the first building is right over there, so you're really close. And if you could tell, that building right there with the lighthouse on it is actually the main lobby, or the main restaurant area for Caribbean Beach. So I mean, it's all really close. Get like a little bit better view of the quiet pool from over here and the resort as a whole. It's not the hugest pool in the world, but you know, it'll do. Okay, and we came out right there. The quiet pool is right behind these bushes here, and we just spin right around. This is how you get to the Skyliner. And then here on your way to the Skyliner station, they have this lovely mosaic mural of Tangled. It goes all the way up and over. You see Rapunzel's tower over there, but also you can start over here in Neverland and follow Peter, Wendy, and the boys over to Neverland. That's pretty cool. And it's all right here by the Skyliner station, which at 8:10 a.m. is not busy at all here at the Riviera. Right by the Skyliner station though, they have a lovely pool. And that's the parking lot, and our room is just right around the corner from there. So we've kind of done a full circle tour of the outside of the resort. So let's go on inside. Okay, we're gonna go up to the main part of the lobby. We just came in right there. Our room was right around the corner there with the quiet pools right there. We just came right in these doors. We're gonna go up to the main lobby in a second, but first we're gonna go to Prima Piatto, which you get to it by going down this cool hall with all these Pixar movie posters. I guess it's Disney too, because you got like Frozen right there, Inside Out. But it's like all in like French and Moana, but like in French. They have a replica of the Disney Wish down here. That's pretty neat. Right by Prima Piatto, they got a portable fuel rod charger station there and a press penny. If you want to get some Riviera specific press pennies, come in here. Down by Prima Piatto. Sorry, they're vacuuming. And here in the morning, they serve breakfast from 7 to 11. We got some breakfast platters and breakfast pizza and like a crocodile. But anyway, this is like the quick serve. It's kind of small in here. We ate it here last night. They also have a freestyle machine down here. They also have like a grab and go section if you don't want to, like, you know, order hot food. You just come in here and grab like a bagel or, you know, some sandwiches and stuff like that. Like, pro tip too, if you're ordering here at Prima Piatto, you like, see there's the drink machines and everything, and there's where they actually get your orders ready for you. But anyway, they actually right here by the main door and right behind there is actually where they put the to-go orders. So if you mobile order, the pickup is right by the main entrance here. So no need to actually go and stand in the restaurant and stare at them up there. That's what we did last night until we realized mobile order to go pickup is right here, and I would suggest doing it because usually the line gets pretty long. I also want to point out that right there by where that lady is filling the coffee creamer, you can get your complimentary cup right there and get free water, because they have free water in the parks at the quick service, but they also have it here at the resorts as well. So just to keep that in mind, if you need some water, come into Prima Piatto, grab some free water. So here's just a kind of an overview of the lobby here at the Riviera. They had a gift shop over there, and then there's also like a coffee shop thing you can grab pastries and whatnot at. Here's the porte-cochere area where you pull up, and that's really lovely too. But it's really pretty here. All right, so what is our final review here of the Riviera Resort? I will say this. This is just my feeling about this resort and this room type we have, the Deluxe Studio. I don't really feel like it's made for 5 people. Okay, I feel like it's a comfortable upgrade for 2 people and possibly 3. I know there's places to sleep for 5 people, but I think if you're in here for a long period of time, I personally think the Deluxe Studio is not the right answer for you at this resort. I think you're going to want the 1 bedroom or higher if you have more than 3 people. That's just me personally, just because of the amount of stuff that we have and the lack of storage. Like, I feel like it should have been a 2-person room, and the bed over there that Lauren's on should have just been like a chest of drawers or something like that, so you could actually have room to store like your stuff. I mean, I guess it's fine if you're gonna like live out of your suitcase, but I don't know. Not really my vibe on that, but I mean, the room is lovely. Definitely for 2 or 3 people. Thumbs up. I would give it a thumbs up. The property itself is beautiful. Loved it. Can't say enough good things about it. We did eat at Prima Piatto twice. We had dinner there last night, which was excellent. I got the burger. Sorry we couldn't show it. It was like really late. We scarfed it down, but that was delicious, and everyone else loved their... Nathan got the flatbread pizza. He loved it. Lauren got the chicken tenders, were good. Chrissy got the Madame Croque or whatever, I think is what it was, and it was like a grilled cheese with ham, but she said that was delicious too. So I mean, there's lots of stuff going for it, and we will be eating at Topolino's later on, so watch out for that video. So we'll give you the full review of Topolino's, but overall this is a lovely resort. There's only 300 rooms here, so it feels like a petite resort, which is rare here at Disney. So if you're into the smaller size resorts and you need more room, definitely come here. Go with the 1 bedroom or above. If you're like 2 or 3 people, go with one of the studios. They're lovely. This is a great resort. I can't say enough good things about it. Beautiful all the way around, so I'd definitely give it a shot on your next Disney trip. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer, because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep this show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Anyway, choose to support the channel. We really appreciate it. Alright, I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say amazing stay at Disney's Riviera Resort down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far in the video. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.